The consequences of untreated gout: chronic pain, joint damage, and increased health risks. Gout is a form of arthritis caused by a buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints. If left untreated, gout can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life, leading to chronic pain, disability, and other health problems. One of the most significant effects of untreated gout is chronic pain. Gout attacks can cause intense pain, swelling, and stiffness in the affected joint, which can last for several days or even weeks. These attacks can be so severe that they can interfere with daily activities and make it difficult to sleep or perform routine tasks. Over time, untreated gout can lead to joint damage and deformity. The constant inflammation caused by gout attacks can damage the joint tissues, leading to permanent damage and reduced mobility. This can make it difficult to perform even basic activities such as walking or standing for extended periods. In addition to joint damage, untreated gout can also increase the risk of other health problems, including kidney disease, heart disease, and diabetes. High levels of uric acid in the blood can cause kidney stones and damage the kidneys, leading to kidney failure in severe cases. Gout is also associated with an increased risk of heart disease and stroke, as well as insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Fortunately, gout can be effectively managed with medication and lifestyle changes. By working with a healthcare provider to develop a treatment plan, individuals with gout can reduce their symptoms and prevent long-term complications. Treatment options may include medication to reduce uric acid levels, anti-inflammatory drugs to manage pain and inflammation, and lifestyle changes such as weight loss and dietary modifications. In conclusion, untreated gout can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life, leading to chronic pain, disability, and other health problems. However, with proper treatment and management, individuals with gout can reduce their symptoms and prevent long-term complications. If you suspect that you may have gout, it is important to seek medical attention as soon as possible to receive an accurate diagnosis and develop a personalized treatment plan. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.